Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to be painting this chicken silhouette. It is one of our Paint by Line products and it is a super easy one because it doesn't involve very many colors. The first color I'm using is a color called Putty, and then I'm going to paint the Wattle and Combs a honky tonk red. All the colors I'm using today are by Dixie Belle and can be purchased on our website. As the colors are wet, they look a little different than they will when they're dry, so refer to the photo at the end for the dry color, because if you're looking at our paints online, they might look a little different than they're looking while I'm painting them on here. Then I painted her beak a color called Colonel Mustard, and I'm painting the inside of her mouth cotton. Now I'm going to take a detailed paintbrush and I'm going to begin to fill in all of the lines that are etched into her. And I'm doing that with some slightly watered down caviar paint. And it's really nice, this little eye that's super cute on her. It was etched into the product, so all I did was fill it in and it is adorable. Then the next thing I'm going to do is take a painter's pen in the color black, and I'm going to go around the entire outside edges, and this completes the outline look. She can be purchased on our website at buildacross.com in our shape section in the category called Paint by Line. Next, we are going to begin to do some accenting and highlighting to her that's really going to bring her to life, and I call this Beyond the Lines. That is because these are not things etched into the product. These are extra things that I'm doing to brighten her up and give her extra detailed definition and dimension. So I'm taking my white paint with the same detailed paintbrush, and I'm just highlighting a few of the areas on her. I'm following the lines that are already there and just bringing some highlights on her. Then I'm going to take the same brush and some of the caviar paint that I filled in all the lines with, and I'm going to go over some of the white to just kind of calm it down and bring it all together. And as you can see, it didn't take very many colors at all to paint her, and she's super precious. She will look amazing hanging in the kitchen or anywhere in your house. And I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Please like and share, and I will see you next time.